Let's now move on to a threat that affects the business continuity of financial institutions. Cyber threat actors negatively impact business operations and cause economic losses to organizations and individuals with distributed denial of service (DDoS) attacks. In distributed denial of service attacks, adversaries generate enormous network traffic and crash the victim's website or network. They also use off-the-shelf toolkits and DDoS for hire websites to perform DDoS attacks. The overwhelmed network cannot provide services to legitimate users and result in financial and reputational losses to organizations. According to Akamai, DDoS attacks against the financial service industry increased by 110% in 2020 compared to the previous year. In June 2021, Russia-affiliated Cozy Bear and Fancy Bear APT groups collaborated with North Korean APT Group Lazarus and threatened FS ISAC members